Hello everyone, are you tired of fad diets and complicated weight loss plans? Well, you're in for a treat, because today we're about to spill the beans on a delicious secret that could help you manage your weight. If you're a coffee lover and you're looking for a more enjoyable way to shed those extra pounds, then stay tuned, because we've got some hot tips brewing for you. After viewing the video, please remember to click on the research links in the description to get more detailed information on what we're about to uncover. By the way, be sure to stay tuned to hear the most important twist near the end of this video. Okay, so here's the latest brouhaha on coffee. A recent study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has some fascinating findings about coffee and weight management. It suggests that adding an extra cup of coffee to your daily routine might just be the secret to staying fit. It's like the elixir of weight management. Participants who did this saw a significant reduction in weight over a 4-year period. Yes, you heard that right. Coffee, the magical potion that keeps us awake during meetings and helps us not to fade into dream world at the desk, is now being crowned as a weight management guru. Who would have thought your cup of joe was moonlighting as a personal trainer? Coffee can play a role in weight management through various mechanisms. One of the most well-known factors is caffeine, a natural stimulant found in coffee, which can increase your metabolic rate. This heightened metabolism results in the body burning more calories, even while at rest, potentially aiding in weight loss. Additionally, caffeine acts as an appetite suppressant, reducing feelings of hunger and potentially leading to a lower daily caloric intake. Furthermore, it can enhance physical performance by increasing adrenaline levels, improving workout performance, and helping individuals burn more calories during exercise. Coffee also stimulates thermogenesis, a process where the body generates heat while burning calories, which again contributes to weight loss. Moreover, caffeine may promote the oxidation of fat, increasing the rate at which the body uses stored fat for energy. Some studies have suggested that coffee consumption is associated with a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a condition often linked to obesity. Also, coffee's ability to improve one's mood and increase energy levels may encourage physical activity and reduce emotional eating. However, it's essential to only consume coffee in moderation, as excessive caffeine intake can lead to adverse side effects like anxiety, insomnia, increased heart rate, and digestive issues. Now, I know that all sounds too good to be true, but here's the twist. The magic disappears when you add cream or sugar to your beloved brew. Just 1 teaspoon of sugar can cancel out the weight management benefits. Trying to lose weight while adding cream and sugar to your coffee would be similar to trying to win a foot race with a ball and chain on your ankle. And since cream and sugar is calorie dense, the excessive intake of calories can effectively nullify any potential weight loss benefits coffee might offer. In addition to that, the rapid spike in blood sugar levels caused by sugar consumption, followed by a subsequent crash, can result in increased feelings of hunger and cravings, driving individuals to consume more calories throughout the day. Elevated insulin levels from sugar tend to promote fat storage and hinder fat oxidation, thereby hindering weight loss efforts. Moreover, sugar does not impart a sense of fullness or satiety in the same way as nutrients like protein and fiber. This groundbreaking research was conducted by the Department of Nutrition at Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health in Boston, Massachusetts. They analyzed data from 3 cohort studies to get to the bottom of this coffee phenomenon. And other corroborating researchers looked at all the nitty-gritty details, such as caffeinated coffee, decaffeinated coffee, sugar, artificial sweeteners, and even cream when under the scope of analysis. And the results were surprising. Certain artificial sweeteners are suitable for adding to your coffee, while others are not. Some zero-calorie sweeteners that do not elicit an insulin response or impact your blood sugar levels can be safely added to your coffee for a sweet flavor. However, it's important to keep in mind that most artificial sweeteners are manufactured in a laboratory, which may lead you to consider alternative options for health-related reasons, such as simply drinking it black, which is the top recommendation. You'll be amazed at how fast you get used to the taste. Other findings are that different coffees range in a variety of formulations, so the coffee you drink in the cafe may be very different from the one you brew at home. The components of a cup of coffee depends on the coffee beans, roasting, grind size, and brewing technique. People also react differently to the amount of caffeine consumption via coffee. Low to moderate dosages of caffeine, 50 to 300 milligrams, may improve alertness, energy, and concentration. But greater doses may cause anxiety, restlessness, sleep difficulty, and an elevated heart rate. But overall, the growing volume of coffee research tends to promote its health advantages more so than any negative side effects. So, what's the takeaway here? Well, if you're aiming to maintain your weight, an extra cup of unsweetened coffee a day could be your secret weapon. More importantly, beware of sugar. It's the sneaky saboteur, like the mischievous villain trying to steal your weight loss dreams. And one more thing, before making any changes to your dietary or health habits, it's essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as a replacement for professional medical advice or guidance. To that end, we wrap up our Javaland journey for today. If you found this information to be as intriguing as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow coffee aficionados. And subscribe so you won't miss any of our exciting updates on this channel. And remember to take a peek at the source information within this video's description. So, until next time, keep sipping and stay healthy.